Today we say goodbye to a man who did not shout but let his actions speak. A man who changed the destiny of over a billion people, Dr. Manmohan Singh, was more than a leader. He was quite revolutionary. He took India from economic despair to global recognition. But how did he do it and what we can learn from his story? Let's uncover the life and legacy of a man behind India's economic miracle. Dr. Manmohan Singh was born in 1932 in a small village in Punjab. Manmohan Singh's journey was far from ordinary. Raised in an era of a British colonial rule and post-independence struggles, his early life was shaped by a desire to understand and change the world. Dr. Manmohan Singh completed his bachelor's and master's in economics from Punjab University. Dr. Manmohan Singh earned his doctorate in economics from prestigious Cambridge University and later went on to study at Oxford. As a young man, he wasn't just interested in numbers, he was deeply passionate about how economics could be used to lift a nation out of poverty. Little did the world know that this quiet academic was preparing to reshape India's destiny on the global stage. Before he was a household name, Singh was already India's silent problem solver. As a chief economic advisor in the 1970s and later the governor of the Reserve Bank of India, he was a man behind India's financial stability during the tough times. High inflation? Check. Foreign debt crisis? Check. Dr. Manmohan Singh's expertise wasn't just about crunching numbers, it was about crafting a vision for a stronger, self reliant India. Every decision he made behind the scenes paved the way for an seismic shift that was just around the corner. In 1991, the year India hit rock bottom, the economy was on life support, foreign reserves dwindling, inflation skyrocketing, and the country weeks away from default, enters Dr. Manmohan Singh, the newly appointed finance minister. What he did next wasn't just bold, it was revolutionary. In one historic budget, Dr. Manmohan Singh ripped apart decades of economic protectionism. He opened India's door to the world, devaluing the rupee, cutting the red tape, and unleashing a wave of privatization. His words in Parliament still echoes today. No power on the earth can stop an idea whose time has come. Those reforms did not just save India, they set it on a trajectory to become a global economic powerhouse. The IT boom, foreign investments, and a rising middle class, they're all the trace back to that pivotal moment. In 2004, India needed more than a politician, it needed a statesman. And that's what exactly Dr. Manmohan Singh brought to the table as a prime minister. Under his watch, India's economy soared, averaging 8% annual growth, while industries like IT, telecom reached new heights. For the first time, India wasn't just a part of global conversations, it was leading them. Dr. Manmohan Singh's policies attracted billions in foreign investments and created opportunities for millions of Indians. He was a steady hand in turbulent times, guiding India through the global financial crisis of 2008 with unmatched foresight. Yet his humility remained intact. For him, success was never about applause, it was about impact. But his years in office were not without challenges. Controversies like the 2G spectrum case and the coal allocation scam cast shadows over his administration. Critics labeled him as overly silent or submissive. But for those who knew him, his silence was his strength, a quiet conviction that history would vindicate his leadership.
This was followed by street protests after a gruesome gang rape in New Delhi in 2012. Dr. Singh appeared ineffective and powerless in that period. His approach to Pakistan came under fire as well, especially after the 26/11 Mumbai attacks. In his last press conference as Prime Minister, Dr. Singh addressed these criticisms.
I do not believe that I have been a good Prime Minister.
Every leader faces challenges, and for Dr. Manmohan Singh, the hurdles came in the form of corruption scandals, the 2G spectrum case, coal allocations, and the Commonwealth Games controversy. Critics called him a silent prime minister, questioning his leadership style, but Dr. Manmohan Singh's silence wasn't weakness, it was a strength rooted in integrity. His focus never wavered, and he often said, "History will judge me kindly." Today, these words ring true. Dr. Manmohan Singh's legacy isn't just a chapter in history, it's the backbone of modern India. His reforms empowered entrepreneurs, created millions of jobs, and redefined the nation's global image. The thriving business, the bustling markets, and the dreams of billion people, they all carry his imprint. As we say goodbye to the man who redefined leadership with intellect and integrity, one thing is clear: India wouldn't be the same without Dr. Manmohan Singh. He wasn't just an economist or a politician, he was a visionary who believed in the power of change.
When I took over, were no more than $1 billion. That is roughly equal to 2 weeks.
Dr. Manmohan Singh gave us a roadmap to success. If his story inspires you, hit like, share this journey, and subscribe for more powerful tales of Indian heroes.